Fantastical versus Busycal versus Apple Calendar. Which scheduling software is better? Choosing the right calendar app, here's a quick comparison of Fantastical, Busycal, and Apple Calendar. Fantastical is known for its beautiful design and smart features. It offers natural language input, integrated weather, time zone support, and calendar sets. It syncs with all major services, but full features require a paid subscription. Busycall is a power user's calendar. You get customizable views, task management, travel time alerts, and even Apple script support. It's a one-time purchase which may users prefer, but the surface is less modern than Fantastical's. Apple Calendar is free, simple, and already built into your Apple devices. It supports iCloud, Google, and Exchange, and syncs seamlessly. But it lacks advanced features like templates, smart scheduling, or calendar grouping. So which is better? For advanced features and polish, Fantastical is a top choice. For customization and no subscription, Busycall wins. And for simplicity and integration, Apple Calendar gets the job done. Thanks for watching.